Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the account and payment details you'll need. Have your email, password, and the card or PayPal info ready. Once done, open the service's website or app and sign in. Do not skip two-factor prompts since they protect access. Make sure to navigate directly to your profile or account page because that's where subscription settings live. You'll need the exact subscription name and recent charge amount to identify the correct recurring plan when you proceed. You now go to the subscriptions or billing section and select the active plan you want to cancel. Once selected, read the cancellation options, immediate stop, end of period, or downgrade, and choose the correct one based on when you want service to end. Make sure to follow on-screen prompts. Click Cancel, confirm, and complete any short survey. These steps record cancellation. If presented with retention offers, decline them unless you want to continue. Otherwise, proceed to get the confirmation. You finish by keeping proof. Save the confirmation number or take a screenshot of the canceled status, because that's your evidence if billing continues. Once done, check the email tied to the account for a cancellation receipt. This typically arrives within 24 hours. If you still see another charge after the next billing cycle, contact support and provide your screenshot and receipt. Request a refund if applicable. One troubleshooting tip: if you can't cancel online, revoke the payment method or contact your bank as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.